So on this chair, the instruction I've been given is to mount the hip belt about 20 centimeters from the backrest. So I'll measure off that position and using some ordinary masking tape, mark the location along the frame. So my goal is to mount the hip belt at this location, which has been deemed appropriate to fit the user. Using the quarter turn nut, you simply insert it, rotate it 90 degrees into position, add the 6mm washer, and then you can attach the hip belt. Now we can attach the EvaFlex or flat mount end fitting, or in this case I'll use a hip belt with a cinch mount ready to go. The webbing has been fed through, so simply place the cinch mount over the stud and finish with the nut. And 10mm socket wrench is a perfect fit. Snug up on the nut, and then with the wheelchair user seated, you can adjust the belt to length and close and snap the cover on the cinch mount, and you're done. This is an Invacare power chair which has the new Modulite T-Slot system. This is a 10mm T-Slot, measuring the height. The same dimension of T-Slot can be found on Pride Quantum power chairs. Permobil, however, has a 6mm T-Slot. And so we have another fastener kit which is called the HKA6. The HKA6 is very similar to the HKA10, except it replaces the quarter turn nut and stud with a simple 6mm hex head cap screw. For installation, you simply insert the head of the screw into the hole, slide it into position, and then add the washer and the end fitting and the nut as I previously demonstrated.